पुणे हाईवे जो प्रीमियर हुआ था उसने देखा है तो आप उनको पहचानेंगे ज़रूर, क्योंकि केतकी मैम हमारे साथ है। केतकी मैम पहले तो आपको इंटरनेशनल फिल्म फेस्टिवल में वेलकम और गोवा में भी वेलकम। कैसा लग रहा है मैम आपकी फिल्म पुणे हाईवे जो अब आई है?
एक्चुअली हर बार इफ़ी आते हैं तो मोस्टली एज एज अ ऑडियंस आते हैं. So in 2018 also I have come here with a short film called Burning, and that time also we had a red carpet event, and we got really nice response on that short film. And again, coming back with a film to the festival is a privilege, and also it feels really nice because you get connected to so many different directors and actors, and also festivals is the place where you actually get critical reviews on your film, and people really come and seriously watch the film. So I think it's a very happy moment for all of us, like the entire Pune Highway team.
क्या कहना चाहोगी पुणे हाईवे के पुणे हाईवे के बारे में क्या कहना चाहोगे?
पुणे हाईवे के बारे में एक्चुअली मैं ज़्यादा कुछ नहीं बोल पाऊँगी, अदरवाइज मैं डायरेक्टर विल बट या इट्स अबाउट हु डन इट, and it's a mystery film, but at the same time it's not just mystery, but it has a lot of it has entertainment, it also has suspense, and there are so many different characters. Like we have Amit Saad, Manjiri Fadnis, Jim Saab, Anubhav Pal, Shishir Sharma, and Swapnil, and Sudeep Modak, Swapnil Kulkarni. So all these actors, like it's like an ensemble cast, and like really really amazing actors. So like working with them, and you will get to see a very good performances on screen with very good writing and direction. So it's gonna be a power package, I feel so.
मैम हाईवे तो गोवा में भी है, तो पुणे हाईवे और गोवा हाईवे में क्या आप बताना चाहोगे? गोवा हाईवे का सफ़र कैसा था?
गोवा हाईवे का सफ़र कैसा था? एक्चुअली हाईवे से नहीं आई, मैं उड़ के आई, तो मुझे हाईवे ऐसे ऊपर से दिख रहा था. बट या गोवा तो आते ही रहते हैं, एंड इट्स सच अ अमेजिंग प्लेस. आई थिंक दिस इज़ one of the most happening festival because you also, along with the festivals and screenings and workshops and bazaar, even NFDC things happening here, but along with that we also can relax and go on the beach and eat really good Goan food, and the music is so nice in Goa. So yeah, I think it's the best place to have a film festival.
आपका फेवरेट प्लेस गोवा का और फेवरेट फूड?
There are a couple of places actually, but I like Josephar because it's like a chill out place, anyone can go anytime. Also Wharf's, Fisherman's Wharf, I like that because it's near to the location from Inox, so you can just go and hop anything there, and it's so yummy. And yeah, I like South Goa. Then in North I like Arambol Beach and all that places.
यंग जो एक्टर है अभी जो फिल्म इंडस्ट्री में जाना चाहते हो, तो आप भी बहुत यंग हो, तो आप क्या मैसेज देना चाहोगे?
Like, don't do it as a hobby, do it as a do or die, but at the same time in this process you will meet really amazing people, but at the same time you will also meet some crooked people, and they will try to bog down your confidence, but keep working on your craft and never give up. You will someday, somewhere, someone will see you, and they'll also get inspired by you, because you as an artist, we also get inspired by something, and then we think that okay, I also want to contribute something to the art. So yeah, never give up, and yeah, that's what.
यस, ज़रूर पुणे हाईवे देखना. और इतनी ब्यूटीफुल एक्ट्रेस हमारे साथ है. थैंक यू मैम वंस अगेन फॉर द टाइम यू हैव गिवन अस, एंड वेलकम टू गोवा अगेन, एंड एंजॉय.